What's up everybody, Serena here. Today, we're excited to announce that the Google Maps Platform gaming services is generally available for all developers. In the next few minutes, I'll introduce you to the services and walk you through how to get started building your very first real-world game in Unity. The gaming services have two core components, the Playable Locations API and the Maps SDK for Unity. The Playable Locations API helps you find the best locations to place real-world gameplay. Playable locations are chosen based on their suitability for use in real-world games for things like monster spawn points. Upon request, some points returned are major landmarks in urban hubs, while others are evenly distributed points in public accessible rural areas. The Maps SDK for Unity, on the other hand, gives you access to Google's worldwide coverage of hundreds of millions of 3D building geometries and urban settings like parks and roads. We've built tools like line slicing, parapets, and borders to allow you to turn the real world into your own game world. Everything here is exposed as game objects in Unity, meaning these assets can be textured, enhanced, lit, deformed, destroyed, well, pretty much anything you can do with typical assets in Unity. Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Maps SDK for Unity and customize the real world in just a few minutes. Exciting, right? Let's get started. To load the Google Maps assets in Unity, you'll need to download and unzip the SDK and get an API key. Follow the link below to get started. You'll also need Unity 2018.4 or later. You can download that at the Unity website. Once you have your API key in Unity handy, here's how you can install the Maps SDK for Unity, set up your first game world, and customize the real world to be your own. Now let's load our first world. First off, let's start Unity and create a new project. I'm going to choose the 3D template, name my project Getting Started, and choose a location on my computer to save the project files. Then all I have to do is click the Create button. Here we go. You should now see the Unity IDE appear, which can seem a little overwhelming at first. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need. To start, let's import the Maps SDK for Unity package. This will give us access to all of Google Maps Platform's 3D building geometries and more. To do this, go to the Assets drop-down menu, select Import Package, then Custom Package. Navigate to where you saved and unzipped the Maps SDK for Unity and select it. Next, click on Import Package. Unity will display a pop-up showing all the files available for import. Keep everything selected and click Import. Unity will start importing all of the assets from the Maps SDK into your project. This may take a couple of minutes. Okay, the Maps SDK for Unity is imported. Now let's load our first world. To do so, let's open the Hello World scene located under Google Maps/examples/1, Getting Started. With the example scene loaded, let's select the basic example script game object in the scene hierarchy and paste our API key in the API key field of the Maps service component in the inspector. Remember, you can get an API key from the link below. Also, note the latitude-longitude field in the basic example script in the inspector. The default values point to the Statue of Liberty in New York City, but you can change it to any location you'd like. Our gaming services have worldwide coverage of over 200 countries and territories. Now, just run the scene, and congratulations, you've loaded your first real-world map in Unity. For our final step, let's brighten up the Statue of Liberty by changing the material assigned to the modeled structure. With the Statue of Liberty selected in the scene view, expand the materials drop-down under the Mesh Renderer component in the inspector. Click on the selector icon located on the right side of the current material selection. Pick a new material of your choice. Let's say 1, Future Building, to convert our landmark into a shiny steel structure. And just like that, you've turned the real world into your own. The possibilities here are truly endless. So whether you want to build a racing game in your hometown or a real-life scavenger hunt, you can use the Google Maps Platform gaming services to create immersive, personalized gameplay starting today at g.co/mapsplatform/gaming. To learn more about Google Maps Platform, check out the other videos on our channel and stay tuned for future videos where we'll show you more creative possibilities. Thanks for watching.